I'm gonna make a big bubble, and you guys see me in my video, slime on my iPad, you know. And I'm gonna try to make a big bubble. Wait.
Try again.
Yeah.
You got it.
You want me to make it again?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yay! You got a big bubble.
You can put your hand.
I almost pop it.
Do it again.
Yes, again.
I still have a lot of space, so I don't need to do that again. Oh my! I just made a big bubble.
Awesome. Look like you making a dough.
Huh?
It look like you making a dough, like pizza dough. This is slime dough. Oh! Do you want to like roll it back and start all over again?
Yeah, but wait, I tried to. One more. Okay.
It's too messy now. Yeah. Start all over again. Yeah, you do look like a dope maker. Too small.
This not too small. Sometimes.
What is it? Look like they're in the airspace something. Like woo.
It's really fun.
It's okay. Forget it. Fail.
I need to do it again.
A big one.
Don't touch it, Mom. It's gonna pop.
Yeah, I don't want to pop it.
Where is everybody? He's at the very top of the Eiffel Tower.
Hang on, Daddy Pig.
Un alcool fossil rescue service.
Woo! It's not pop. That's awesome. It's not pop.
Goodness, you're here.
Oh, that's a Caesar.
This one. Grab it. I'm like a chef. Like I'm making a pizza.
Right. Slime pizza. Pizza slime.
Golden pizza.
Ooh, look at that!
Okay. Now, do you want to try it again?
Yes. For the last time.
No, when I'm done this one more time, and we are brushing our
Okay.
teeth.
Whoa. You're getting more fluences.
And you all show me how good you are at ringing bells.
I don't have a bell. I have a horn.
A horn is just as good as a bell.
One more time. When I'm done this one more time.
No, just
Please.
this is the last time.
I'm gonna be fast. I'm gonna be fast.
Okay. Because we run out of time.
Wait, one.
One more time. Just the last time. This is the very, very last time, okay? Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one too. Okay, so now say what you say.
Too heavy. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the bell button and thumbs up for 1,000 likes. Bye!
Bye.